All right, this is the expert session for Benjamin Beck's Introduction to SEO. My name is Gabriel, and this video will be summarizing some of the key insights from Benjamin Beck's expert session on SEO. So to get started, SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving a website's visibility in the search engine results. The goal is to extract organic traffic, which are people just like you or me that are just going onto the internet and trying to find new items, who are navigating through search engines like Google. And it's not about paying for the ads, it's about optimizing your content and your content structure and credibility so that the search engines rank you higher than other websites that are selling the same things as you. All right, so the next thing that we'll be talking about is long tail versus short tail keywords. Keywords themselves are the backbone of SEO in general. The short tail keywords are broad and competitive. Think about like shoes or digital marketing. They have high search volume, but are harder to rank for. And then the long tail keywords are like more specific, like for a running shoe that is super lightweight, you would put lightweight running shoe or best running shoe for flat feet or something like that. These tend to have lower competition because not as many people are using those longer keywords, and higher conversion rates because it's clear what the intent is for these keywords. So what Benjamin Beck emphasizes over and over again about the keywords per page is that you want to have quality over quantity. So you don't want to have 15 or 16 different keywords that you're trying to get all up into one, behind one brand or product. You want to have quality over quantity, so you want to focus on 3 to 5 like highly relevant keywords that are just about your brand, and use them like multiple times naturally in your headings, in the body text, in the descriptions, in the image tags. But the goal is to maintain readability while signaling relevance in the search engines themselves. All right, the next thing that I'll be talking about a little bit is just the purchase funnel and the purchase funnel breakdown. So understanding the purchase funnel helps tailor your SEO strategy to the user intent. And the funnel has 3 main stages. The top funnel, which is awareness, shows that users are just discovering a problem or need, and that the content here should be educational, things like blogs, guides, or infographics. Then you have the middle of the funnel, which is the consideration, and this is the users that are comparing the options, use case studies, comparisons, tables, and product demos to just decide what they want. And then finally, the bottom funnel, which is decisions, and these are users that are ready to act. Optimize the landing pages, the testimonials, and call to action to convert the traffic into customers. So this is the last thing, is making the decisions to actually change the landing pages and things like that. All right, the next thing that we'll be talking about is the on-site versus off-site SEO. And the on-site SEO basically is the elements that you control directly on your website, like the content quality, the keyword usage, just like we talked about, the site speed and the mobile responsiveness, how well your website looks rather than a desktop to a mobile phone, making sure that it all looks good, as well as something like internal linking of your site. Off-site SEO is more about building your site's authority through like backlinks, social signals, and mentions on other reputable sites that will like give your site more credibility and push you up in the SEO rankings. Beck stresses that both are essential for your site. On-site SEO makes your site more readable and relevant, while SEO off-site builds your trust and credibility towards your brand. And that about wraps up my summary of Benjamin Beck's Introduction to SEO. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.